Ever reached your destination and realized you forgot the one gadget that makes travel easy? Today, I'm sharing traveling gadgets that solve those annoying travel problems instantly. Stay with me. You'll discover smart tools that make every trip smoother. If something catches your eye, grab it through the links in the description.
The moment you land in a new country and realize your charger doesn't fit the wall, that's when travel excitement turns into frustration. That exact problem is why the Doace Ace Universal Travel Adapter exists. First, the reality travelers face. Different countries, different plug shapes. Suddenly, your phone, laptop, and camera are all fighting for power. Carrying multiple adapters becomes messy and heavy. Now here's where the Doace Ace Universal Travel Adapter steps in. It supports 4 major plug types: US, UK, EU, and AU, working across 200+ countries with a single compact device. Next, convenience. Multiple USB-C and USB-A ports let you charge several devices at once, while fast charging technology helps power laptops and phones without waiting forever. The upsides: compact design, fast charging, safety features like dual fuses and surge protection. But one honest note, it's not a voltage converter, so high-power appliances still need caution. Compared with simpler single-plug adapters, this one replaces several tools in your bag. Frequent travelers, digital nomads, and remote workers will appreciate it most, because sometimes the smallest item in your backpack decides whether your trip feels effortless or stressful. Coffee lovers know this painful truth. The moment you leave home, good espresso usually disappears with it. That's the real problem. Travel, camping trips, long drives, even office mornings. You crave a proper shot, but cafes aren't always nearby, and instant coffee rarely satisfies. Here's where the OutIn Nano portable electric espresso machine changes the story. Start with portability. It weighs about 670 grams, roughly the size of a water bottle. Toss it in your backpack and your coffee ritual travels with you. Next, the brewing power. This portable espresso machine pushes 20 bar pressure, heating water to brewing temperature in about 3 minutes, producing a rich espresso with real crema. Flexibility matters too. The OutIn Nano works with ground coffee or capsules, making it practical for quick mornings or carefully brewed shots. Upside: real espresso anywhere. Downside: heating takes a few minutes, and heavy coffee drinkers may want extra battery power. Compared with manual travel brewers like Wakako-style pumps, the OutIn Nano portable electric espresso machine removes the effort. Just press a button. For travelers, campers, or remote workers, this tiny machine quietly turns ordinary moments into cafe-level coffee experiences.
Typing a long email on a phone screen feels like writing a novel with your thumbs. That daily frustration is exactly where the Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard enters the story. Phones and tablets are powerful, but serious typing on glass screens is slow, messy, and exhausting. Unfold the Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard, and suddenly your phone behaves more like a laptop. The keyboard folds into a palm-sized device weighing around 5 to 9 ounces, easy to slip into a bag or jacket pocket. Bluetooth connectivity allows it to pair with up to 3 devices, letting you switch between phone, tablet, or laptop in seconds. Scissor-style keys and a near full-size layout help create smoother, quieter typing sessions during travel or meetings. Ultra-portable design, long standby battery, and multi-device flexibility. It connects only through Bluetooth, so wired typing isn't an option. Compared with rigid travel keyboards, the Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard prioritizes mobility. For travelers, writers, and remote workers, it quietly turns small devices into real workstations, wherever inspiration decides to show up. For remote workers, digital nomads, and frequent travelers, this tiny router quietly turns chaotic public internet into something far more dependable.
A single language barrier can turn a simple conversation into an awkward guessing game. That's exactly the moment an AI language translator starts to feel less like a gadget and more like a travel companion. First, the real frustration. You're in a new country, ordering food, asking directions, reading signs. Suddenly, every word feels like a puzzle. Now, the shift. Turn on an AI language translator, speak naturally, and the device converts your voice into another language almost instantly. Speed matters here. Many modern translator devices deliver two-way voice translation across 60+ languages, allowing conversations to flow naturally between people who don't share the same language. Then there's versatility. Some models also include camera translation, instantly translating menus, street signs, or documents using built-in OCR technology. Upside, clear communication almost anywhere. Downside, accuracy can vary with accents or noisy environments. Compared with smartphone translation apps, a dedicated AI language translator often responds faster and works offline in many situations. For travelers, international students, and global business professionals, this small device quietly turns unfamiliar languages into understandable conversations, one sentence at a time.
Before you pack for your next trip, think about this. Sometimes the smallest gadgets create the biggest travel comfort. From smarter charging to better connectivity and even breaking language barriers, these tools can quietly transform how you travel. If any of these travel gadgets caught your attention, you'll find their links waiting in the description below, so you can check them out easily. And if you enjoy discovering useful tech like this, make sure to subscribe and stick around, because the next video might reveal the one gadget you didn't know you needed for your next adventure.